friends, my name is Radia, and today we're going to learn how to make anything interactive in Scratch. So, firstly we're going to create something, obviously. Then you're going to want to just take any character you have. Well, even if you don't have any characters. So now we're going to delete this scratch cat. I didn't really delete it, I just hid it, but I guess that's okay. So firstly, although this is not necessary, I'm going to make this add a parallax effect. This is not necessary, so you can just skip this part until I finished adding parallax effect. But if you want, well, you can add it. So first I'm going to add when flag clicked, which is already here. Then forever, go to x -45, y 22. So I'm going to take mouse x and mouse y out, and I'm going to take it divided by block 2. So x was x divided by 0, y was y divided by 0. So, well, your character is obviously going to go flying because the answer would basically just be infinity. Now we could add a number like 22 plus y 22. That's basically just the parallax effect. Duplicate. As for this one, it's not really going to have any effects. This one is going to be for the body. Okay, so now this one should be in different layers, so we're going to want to drag it. Then delete all of the body here. I'll also delete this part. So now this is a parallax effect, but just not really, because it's like moving too much. So we're going to set it to a larger number, like 90 plus y 90. So this one's x0, y0. No, 0, 0. So now that's much better. Maybe 90 is a little bit too big, so set it to 60. There. Now I'm going to duplicate this over to the front. There's literally no difference, but now I'm going to remove the eye part from the original character. And add only the eye parts over here. So now the shapes that are closer to you are supposed to move slower, not faster. And as in parallax effect, the shapes that are closer to you move slower, and the shapes that are further away from you move faster. So this one should be increased. Would be 80. Okay, so well, that doesn't really apply to if you're doing it with people, because it's going to look very weird. So if it's closer, it should move faster. It would be 50 for this one. There's not much of a difference. It's whatever. Duplicate again. Send to front. Play. Go to delete everything except the mouse and the nose too. And then I'll delete everything here. So you might see that part of the mouse is cut off. If that ever happens to you, you just add a transparent square that nobody will be able to see. That is fixed. 60 maybe slash 45. This one should also be less. 40 maybe. Okay, so now we're going to do something else. I'll duplicate this and I will leave only the pupils here with additional selection tool. As I was saying, I'm going to leave only the pupils here. Now we have this, but we want it to actually be looking at the mouse pointer, so it's front layer. Now it looks like her eyeballs are removing. So I'm actually going to remove them from here. Well, it looks like it's looking opposite to the mouse pointer. So here, the forever I'm going to go to random position. Actually going to be go to sprite 5, I think. Yes. Oh no, not sprite 5, sprite 4. Okay, so I think I'm going to have to move this little there. So now I will add the rotation style. Don't rotate. Point towards mouse pointer. I think the set rotation style should be in the beginning. So as you can see, it's not turning because it's set to don't rotate. So now move 10 steps. As you can see, it's already working, but 10 steps is just too much. 1 step. Okay, 1 step is good, but its eye is just glitching. Okay, so now I'm pretty sure this is okay. So now it's just a character looking at your mouse. It is good and all of that, but I'll make it better. So here, duplicate this forever. No, not this. When this forever, if then else. So now we're going to add an AND block. I will add touching, mouse pointer and mouse down. Broadcast message 1. Let's broadcast message 1. Broadcast. Well, let's name this message TLOC. Close. So when I receive close, sweet. Well, here I'm just going to add show. Duplicate when I receive message 1. I'm going to add a hide. Now, you can see it's just receiving close, so it's showing. But if I click here, it's going to be hidden only. I might have to set this to the back layer. And then send the body back to the back layer. So you certainly do not want that happening to you. So here, I'm going to switch costume to costume 1. Costume 1 is the only costume there is. Duplicate this costume. Take costume 2. Going to move this up. So well, you can see that that doesn't really look very good, but it's going to look good later. I will copy it, paste it, flip it horizontally, and go it here. Maybe make it smaller. Now move it down. So now I will add to when I receive close, and when I receive message 1. When I receive close, it's costume to costume 1. I receive message 1. Costume 2, costume 2. Okay, so now, oops, not again. Then this to back layer. Send the body to back layer. That's why you shouldn't forget to be maximizing, or don't, to be putting your projects in full screen before you try to test it, what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to move this a little. Now I will save it. Well, the eye movement is a little bit glitchy, but whatever. Oops, this is gone. Now we'll copy this, paste it in this sprite, paste, back. Now I know how I'm supposed to be. Save this project, and now I think it's too close. That is the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell